In this lesson, we will discuss sixth part of question number 1. And the question we have that by definition, we have to find out the derivatives with respect to x. And function we have f of x is equal to x into x minus 3. Right? So same steps we have to follow which we did for the last few questions. I say y is equal to x into x minus 3, and this is my equation number 1. So for this question, we have 4 steps. First step, you have to take the increment of variables on both sides. So taking increment of variables on both sides of the equation. So see here we have y. So we will add something to y, that is delta y. Here we have x. So you have to add delta x. Same thing here we have x. So x plus delta x and then negative 3. Right, what is the next step? In next step, we will transfer this y to the right hand side of the equation. When we will transfer it, the sign will change. Now the sign of y is positive, but when I will take to the other side, it will be negative. So this is our equation number 2. So here I said y is equal to x into x minus 3. So we will put the value of y from equation 1 into equation 2. Here we have to write down that puts the value of y from 1 into 2. So delta y will be x plus delta x. This part will remains the same, and minus. So see here, whenever you have minus, you should be very careful. It is x into x minus 3. Now we have to multiply in the next step. So this is our first step. In the next step, we will multiply all these parentheses. So step number 2, we will start solution. So here I will write down one more time that delta y we have x plus delta x into x plus delta x negative 3, and then we have negative x into x minus 3. So one by one, first of all we will multiply the second parenthesis with this x one by one, like this and this. So there are 3 terms. When we have the same base, its power is 1, its power is 1 is not given, it means 1. So the power will add. In multiplication, the power will add of the same basis. So it will be x square, then it will be x into delta x negative 3x. Now we have to multiply with delta x to this bracket. So it will be positive x into delta x plus delta x square minus 3 delta x, right? One by one you have to multiply. And then here it is minus x square plus 3x. Because we have negative sign, it will change all the signs inside the parenthesis. So see, this is now here we have positive 3x, this is negative 3x, this will cancel. Here we have negative x square, here we have positive x square, it will cancel. What is remaining? X delta x. Here we have x delta x, same thing, right, with the same sign. So it will be added together. It will be 2x into delta x. So this is gone, this is gone. We have now delta x square minus 3 delta x. So here we will take delta x common because it is present in all these 3 terms. So here we have only 2x remaining because delta x we have taken as a common. Here we have only 1 delta x remaining, here 3. Here is dy. In the third step, step number 3, what you have to do? Divide both sides by delta x. Both sides means both sides of the equation. So it will be delta y over delta x, which is equal to delta x over delta x into 2x plus delta x minus 3. Right, so this will cancel each other. What is remaining? Delta y over delta x is equal to 2x plus delta x minus 3, or I can write down here delta y over delta x. Now is the fourth step. In fourth step we are going to apply the limit. So here I will say step number 4, apply limit delta x tends to 0 on both sides, right? So here we have on the left hand side delta y over delta x and limit delta x tends to 0, limit. Here we will say same thing, limit delta x tends to 0. What we have here, 2x plus delta x minus 3. So when we will apply delta x tends to 0 on delta y over delta x, it will be then dy by dx. So dy by dx, wherever you will see delta x, put 0. This is 2x, there is no delta, it will remains the same constant, plus 0 minus 3. So our dy by dx equal to 2x minus 3, and this is the derivative of our function by definition. Dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 3. Practice this question. If you have any question, ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.